up, fam? Today on my channel, I'm excited to show you guys quick, simplified, easy ways to get fresh, glowy looking skin. I'm really excited to be teaming up with Bobbi Brown on this video. I'm a huge fan of the brand. I have my own lipstick with them, just saying. So are you ready? Let's do this. So first things first, let's talk about my struggle. Don't mind the hairiness. I've got dark circles. My skin just looks a little bit more tired, and also around my nose. And then if you look really close, you can see a little bit of blue from just, you know, shaving my mustache every now and then. What you use on your face before applying any makeup is really important. I do have acne prone skin, so that's something I'm always trying to keep an eye on what I'm using to make sure that I don't break out. I'm thinking about doing a video where I can get more into detail about products because I think that can make all the difference. Now we're gonna move on to color correcting. I cannot live without this step in my everyday routine. You can see where my blue veins are really popping. So the idea of color correcting was basically invented to brighten and lift the appearance of your eyes. I'm actually going to be using this little one from Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Light Bisque. I feel like that's the perfect, almost light peachy shade for me. Bisque shades are really great for blue, purple, red discoloration underneath the eyes. So I'm going to start in my inner corner and then get as close to the lashes as I can. This is instantly going to liven up the area and make my eye look more awake. Also just preparing it for foundation. And I actually like to just kind of work the product into my upper lid as well. You can instantly see how much more bright and awake this eye looks. The most important thing with foundation, as I have mentioned, is you really have to understand what your undertone is. I was in New York with Bobbi Brown and they really taught me all about understanding what my undertone is. And there's a huge difference between knowing your skin tone and your undertone. Your skin tone is kind of like saying, oh, I'm pale or I'm tan. But the thing with your undertone is it's never gonna change. So understanding that whether you have a cool undertone, a warm undertone, or a neutral undertone is really important when it comes to picking out your foundation. This foundation from Bobbi Brown, it's their Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. The reason that I really love this foundation is because, first of all, it comes in 42 different color ranges. Makes you feel like you're one step closer to getting like that perfect color for your undertone. So once I put on my makeup, I actually don't like to go back and touch up. I really just like to do my makeup and go about my day. This foundation really does stay on my skin all day long, and it even looks more radiant as the day goes on. That's when I know it's working really nicely for me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is the side that I've really focused on. But look at my eyes, like whoa. Look at how dark and heavy this side looks. And that's what I love about the art of makeup, to just look awake and more alive. All right, so we prepped the skin, we color corrected, we added foundation, and then you add your concealer. So whatever concealer you guys want to use, you can totally do that at this time to just brighten and obviously conceal any blemishes. I'm gonna be using the Instant Full Cover Concealer in the shade Warm Ivory. Still not messing with this side until the end because I really just want to show you guys the power of makeup here. Bring it down a little bit too to awaken the cheekbones. So what you can do now is you can apply your translucent powder to those key areas that you applied the liquid product. What I like to do to complement the foundation is just apply a matte bronzer to the cheeks and around the face to just really amp up that radiant, healthy looking glow. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side. So I'm just gonna repeat the exact same thing on this side. Whoa, check it out, guys. What a difference, right? If you guys want to learn more about the products that I used in today's video, you can check out my description box below, as well as that video that I told you guys about if you do want more advice on figuring out your undertone. Let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. Mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.